Zach Petros here from MarineMax Jacksonville and Jacksonville Beach. And guess what? We're standing next to a brand new 2020 Grady-White 236 Fisherman. One of our #1 selling 23-foot center consoles we carry. Powered with a 300 Yamaha 4-stroke on the back, digital shift. This particular boat, as you can see, has the sand full hull color. So from your rub rail all the way to the keel is sand. Beautiful color, classic lines from Grady-White. Interior wise, great layout. Probably one of the best for a 23-footer. It really kind of feels like the 25. This particular boat, as you can see, has a Euro style transom. So for you, that means you get extra storage in the transom and maneuverability when walking around the engine. No matter what side the dock is on, you can get on and off the boat and transverse onto the boat very easily. You've got 2 live wells on this boat, one in the leaning stand, one on the transom right next to that fish box, 2 forward fish boxes underneath the wing box seats up front with forward facing backrests. The entire family can be comfortable and feel safe inside this brand new Grady-White. If you're interested in taking a look at this boat, feel free to give us a call or come on down, ask for Zach here at MarineMax Jacksonville. Thanks.